Hi guys, welcome to WebSense Pro with the new tutorial video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to walk you through how you can set up WordPress locally in just one line of command. You don't have to install any software for that. You just need to have Node.js latest version and you will be able to install WordPress locally in less than a minute, maybe in 10-20 seconds. So if you want to learn, stick to the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's jump into the screen. Okay guys, so that's the latest node package through which you can set up WordPress locally within seconds. All you have to do is just add in one single command to your terminal and your WordPress will be ready to test your plugins or themes. Before installing this package, make sure you have the latest version of Node. That's the link to download the latest version of Node. No matter you're on Windows or Mac, you can install it from here and then set up this package. So I'm going to show you guys how you can set this up in MacBook. If I get likes and comments on this video, I'll definitely create it for you on Windows as well. So let me know in the comments below if you want to learn this on Windows as well. Okay, so that's my terminal, and that's the command which I'll use to install wp-now. And once wp-now is installed, all we have to do is just go to our any directory in our system and add in this command, which is wp-now start, and our WordPress will be ready to go. Let me show you how. So let's first make sure you are logged in as your root user. And in order to do so, type in sudo su. Now it's asking me password. I'm going to add in the password, hit enter, and now I'm logged in as the root user in my terminal. Now I'm just going to copy this command and paste it on my terminal. And as you can see, it just took 14 seconds in order to install wp-now. And now I'm going to navigate to my desktop and create a new directory there. mkdir, yes, WordPress is better. So I created new directory called WordPress. And now I'm going to go to this directory and just add in command wp-now start. And now you can see that it's installed the latest version of WordPress, logged me in, opened up in my local host. Now let's go to the dashboard to see what do we have. We have the latest version of WordPress, and we have themes. We can install plugins any we want. It just took literally 5 seconds in order to set this up, in order to run wp-now in my local system. Now you can also test it on the older version of WordPress if you want. If you have a theme which you want to test on the older version of WordPress, or if you have a theme which you want to check the compatibility with the PHP older versions, you can do that as well by adding the arguments. So I'm going to exit this by pressing Control C in terminal. And now I'm going to give some arguments related to PHP version. Now let me show you with the older version of PHP, older version of WordPress version. So wp-now start, and then add in your argument. WP version is equal to 6.0. Hit enter. And now you can see it's downloading the WordPress 6.0, and it will start the local server with WordPress 6.0. And here you go. It opened up my Safari browser. And let's navigate to Chrome. Hit refresh. Okay, I think we have now the WordPress 6.0 version. That's why it's asking to update the database. And there you go. Now you can see it's showing up that please update your version to 6.2.2. Now we have the version 6.0 with PHP 8.0. We can also give arguments to with the older PHP version. So you just need to add in --PHP and mention your PHP version in order to test it with the older PHP version and older WordPress core version. It is a really cool feature through which you can test out your plugins. You can test out themes and find out the bugs within your themes and plugins. Okay, guys, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. In this tutorial, we learned how to set up WordPress within just seconds using this latest package called WP-Now. If you want to learn how to set this up using your Windows system, because I'm in MacBook, I'm in Mac OS, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely create a new video for you guys in order to show you guys how you can set this up in your Windows. Thank you. Until next video, have a great day.